Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Passkey. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Then log into your Google account if you aren't already. Then, on the left menu, tap Security. Then, scroll down to the section called How You Sign In to Google. Then, select Passkeys. Here, you'll see the option to create a passkey, then tap it. And after that, Google will guide you through setup depending on your device. You can use your phone's fingerprint or face unlock. You can use your laptop's pins or biometric scanner or use a security key device if you have one. Once you confirm, your passkey is saved to your device or your Google Password Manager. Now, the next time you log in, instead of typing your password, you just confirm with your fingerprint, face scan, or device pin. Super quick and secure. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.